Hi, I am Starkey from driftworks.com, and today we're looking at the Japan Racing JR20. This is available in diameters 18 inch all the way up to 20s, and then widths from 8.5 to 11 inches wide. This is a multi-strut PCD wheel, so as you can see it's got 10 holes in the middle. That means it comes with two different PCD options. So like for example, it might come with 5x100 and 5x112 on the same wheel. We can get this custom drilled, so this wheel is available in PCDs from 4x100 all the way up to 5x120. So we can custom drill these PCDs to suit your car. As for colours, this wheel is available in Hyper Black, which you can see here, which is a nice shadowy, chromy, silvery finish. It's also available in matte bronze and matte black, so a few different colour options to suit your car. As with a lot of the JR wheels, they're more tailored towards the Euro scene, so this is another example of a wheel that will look great on any of the Euro cars. So you can imagine this on a BMW 46 or Audi A4 or Golf or anything along those lines. This may also suit some Japanese cars, so like an Lexus IS or GS, something bigger, plumpier. Might even suit something like a GT86 as well. I think it's got the right lines that could suit that wheel. As this is a one-piece cast wheel, the spokes concavity will vary depending on the width of the wheel. So this is a 19x11, so this has got the most concave spokes you can get on this design wheel. Obviously, if you've got a slightly smaller wheel, like a 7-inch wide wheel, then the spokes will be much flatter. So this wheel has got great brake clearance. So if you've got aftermarket Brembos or D2 brakes or something like that, or big OEM brakes like you find on an M3 or an M4, then you'll have no issues with these wheels. So yeah, great looking wheel, we really like it. So to see more pictures of this, check out our website.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.